I'm going to make use of the 6 different headings that we have, and then you will see the difference. Okay, so let me say heading 1. So H1 is the heading 1. Okay, I'll press OK. So inside I'll write, this is my first web page. Okay, so this is it. So the headings, H1 is, we have the opening tag of the H1 and we have the closing tag. Please, anytime you open any tag, make sure you close it. But because we are using the extension, it's automatically closing it for us. But you have to close it anytime you're opening a tag. Make sure you close it. So I've established heading 1, so I'm going to do the same thing to heading 2. Okay, I'm going to write the same thing. This is my first web page. So by the time we run this now, you see the difference between the first and the second heading. So I'm going to make use, do the third one also. This is my first web page. Okay, so I've done 3 now. The reason why I'm doing all of them is for you to see the difference between heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay, so heading 3 now, heading 4 now. Okay, same thing. This. Okay, so for me to just make it quicker, I'm going to copy this. So we just need to paste here to make it easier and faster. Okay, I'm going to say again heading 5. Okay, paste it also, and then heading 6. Heading 6. Okay, so paste it. Okay, so now I need to view what I've done on the web browser. That's the next thing we need to do now. View it on the web browser. Now for me to view it, I need to first of all save what I've done. So with Ctrl S, I can automatically save it. Ctrl S, save it. Please make sure you save your work before you run it. Make sure you save it before you run it. If not, what you just imputed will not be showing on the web browser. So it's very important that you save. So once you have saved, please come here and then right click and then say reveal in File Explorer. Reveal in File Explorer. So just click on that, then it will bring you to the folder. Now this is the folder we created on the desktop. Now this is the index.html that we created on our Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now I've come here and I will right click and open, or double click and open on the web browser. Now I've opened it on the web browser. Now the title that we entered is the one showing here, just like when you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever on top here. So that is exactly what we just have here now. So this is the name of our website, and we are going to be adding logo later. So you notice that there's no logo here yet, so we're going to be doing that later. Okay, now the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 that we just created, you can see every one of them here. This is the first H1. You can see it's very bold, while H2 is smaller to the H1, H3 is smaller, H4 until we get to H6. So this is just a difference between the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So I'm going to I want you to practice this. Just make sure you go ahead and build your first web page. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in our next class.